Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast easy at home. Preheat a non-stick pan and whisk 2 eggs with 1 cup milk, 1 TSB vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Dip bread 20 seconds per side, let excess drip off, then cook on medium for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. Finish with butter, syrup, or fruit and serve warm with a smile. Try mild tweaks for a restaurant feel. Use brioche or challah for richness, and soak each slice just long enough to absorb custard without collapsing. Add a tablespoon of sugar for light caramelization and a pinch of cinnamon for warmth. After pan-searing, keep finished slices in a 200 degrees F oven to stay warm and crisp while you finish the batch, so every plate goes out perfectly textured and ready to enjoy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and smarter cleanup that keeps crumbs away after breakfast chaos. It helps maintain a tidy kitchen with minimal effort. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors to keep breakfasts exciting. Stir lemon or orange zest into the batter for brightness, or add a splash of coffee liqueur for a grown-up twist. Top finished slices with fresh berries, powdered sugar, or whipped cream for a simple upgrade. For a richer treat, spread cream cheese or jam between 2 slices before dipping and cooking for an irresistibly decadent stuffed French toast that impresses without fuss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.